Now today we will learn a new topic and we'll create this landing page. So in the last session we have deployed these dashboards and deployed this report and deployed this database. And today we'll go and create a dashboard here. Okay. So what is the use of dashboard in the web UI? This is web UI in web interface. What is the use of dashboard? Why can't we create it in the uh, desktop environment? So this is basically used for creating a landing page of your dashboard. Okay. So in your report there are multiple tabs. There are various tabs. Okay, and all are, you can say, all are independent. There is no correlations between them, and there is no some sitemap or some main menu which is connecting to all the modules together, which is arranging them in a single umbrella. This is not something like which we have developed. It is kind of individual reports. This is one report, this is one report, this is one, and these are all the individual reports. So there is no correlation between all these reports as a module, so that we can navigate from the landing page to the individual report at the time. So landing page is basically used to create a kind of sitemap, or to kind of create a kind of main dashboard where you would have a different portlets, and you would have a different buttons or menu or navigations through which you can communicate to different models of the dashboards. Here in this situation you have only the you know this menus, and through which this tabs through which you can navigate, but you never know in which tab what information is there. And when you, as a customer, you will be landed to the dashboard, the screen, you have to know what this dashboard is all about, what are the models are there, what are the features are there. So some kind of information pages should be there, that is called as a landing page, and it is more of the informations, not more on the data or KPIs. It is maximum part of this will be consumed in the designing, some of the menus, and some of the information about a dashboard, so that the customer will be landed here, and they can know pretty much about your dashboard, and then they will navigate to the individual models of this dashboard or this reports. So let's create. I'll just create a. Let's go here, and I'll create a dashboard. Okay, dashboard is different from report. Uh, okay, now here we have this create option to create dashboard. Create a dashboard. Give the dashboard name. So you see here, if dashboard is a main, your umbrella, under that you can have multiple reports. Like say this is main dashboard. When the customer will be landed here, this is the dashboard, and I may have multiple reports. R1, like this we have, and so on. So, and this from here, this should not contain the KPIs or the data or the relationship, anything. This should show the frame. This should be a kind of framework. Okay, where we can see all these menus, 1, 2, 3, 4, and some information, some videos, some static images, some logos of your company, and then you can navigate to the KPIs. Okay, on click of one KPI will go to R1. On click of one button, you will go to R2, and so on. So this is how your dashboard is built. Now I will just create a dashboard name. Say my dashboard name is what I say, sales dashboard. Okay, I'm going to create a dashboard name called sales dashboard. It is nothing. It is just a blank frame now I have. Okay. So now in this dashboard, the first thing we have to add is a frame called tile. Okay, so you see there can be multiple tiles in a dashboard. Now what is tile? Tile is just a kind of frame from which a dashboard will be another report, a picture, a video, a text, or anything can be called. Okay, so I'll have to create a tile. So tile itself has not any entity. It is just a blank frame. Okay, where you will communicate, you will call another entities like images, videos, buttons, or text, or another dashboard also. You can also call as another report. You can also call in that. Okay, so as I'm going to create a landing page, I'll just create a tile, and in tile there are various type of tiles available here. You can have a web content, you can have a image, text box, video. Web content means here we can call a HTML page, you can call a Java page, or any web API, or you can call a report. You can call individual pages or individual views of our report which we have deployed. Okay, now this is image where you can put a background, you can put a logo, you can put some other thing, some videos where you can show some very short insight of your dashboard, text box where you can give the details of your company. So I'm just going to give an image tile where I'll just define image. I can simply just you know say provide an image URL here, URL of the image, say so here I will just try to call logo of my client company. So I'll just take the file path of the logo and call there in the tile so that that file will be called. Yeah, so probably this logo, some small logo, I'll just take maybe this logo looks good to me. Let's not take a very huge picture. This is somewhat good. Okay, so this is the logo of the image. I mean path of the image. I can just simply copy this path and here just call this path. So immediately I can see the logo of my company or client company. So I just could utilize this logo, which was an external resource. Okay. Now this is the logo of my dashboard or my client company. This was the logo size actually. The logo size was a little bit big, so that's why I was not able to make it stretched. This is the web folder, web directory. So you have to use from the web. If at all the desktop, you have to deploy it. We will see the possibility of the deployment. So this is my um, file. Let's say the image logo. I just can edit it. This is good. Okay. Okay. Now I'll add a tile to have the text box where I can put the dashboard details or about some captions of my dashboard. Okay, something. Uh, which will give you an insight of your dashboard details. So tile means automatically taking some size. Um, you know, the designing is very easy here. You can simply drag and drop and it will automatically take the size of the another object. So you can see the height it is automatically taking. Again it is taking another set of height, the third set of height. So we can create the tile with this height. And the content, what about the content? I am not going to edit this one. I'm not linking it right away. I'll just choose the buttons and then link it. So I'll just treat this one as the dashboard information. Then here, this is my um, two tiles where I have got an image and text about my dashboard, and I need multiple buttons through which I can navigate to different models of my dashboard. Okay, so add a tile, text. First model I can define. Say I will see here what are all the models in my dashboards. This production and this report. I have how many modules. I will just create some patches or some buttons there in the dashboard so that I can navigate to here in the screen. Okay, so my first module is sales analysis. I need to come to here. Okay, so sales analysis URL. Just go to file. Um, let's take it here. Text box. Next. Sales analysis. There's a link. I will not write anything here. There's a link and link to dashboard or reports in the current dashboard. Okay, you can choose like this or else external link. So if you just use external links, what will happen? You can define the particular page of the dashboard. Okay, so how to use the external link here? If you choose the dashboard, you will navigate to the particular any page of the dashboard. There is no such definition. You can define you can define any particular page. So here I'll just choose this particular dashboard will be navigated from that screen. So how do I configure there? Here there is an option called file, publish to wave. Okay, embed this view, embed this report to access by anywhere, anyone on the internet. So just you can define the code of the dashboard. Okay, so just copy this one, this particular link, and close. Now you can give this particular link and apply. Okay, so here once you clicking it, I can navigate to this particular page, sales analysis. I'll just do it and then I will work on the individual pages. It is just like a window view, Microsoft Window mobile screen. You can create this dashboards like in these patches. Art tile, text box. The next one is hierarchical data analysis. Okay. Next, define here. Hierarchical analysis. Okay, done with it. Then go to URL, link to dashboard. Sorry, external URL. So there are two options. Open the custom link in the same tab. You choose in the same tab, or else if you use no, then it will create a new tab. It will open up a new tab. It will give you a feel that you are opening from the separate server. So just check this option. Yes, it should open in the same tab. Okay. Now I'll have to this hierarchical data analysis and create the link of this. Go to file, publish to web, embed code. Just copy this code and come here. Apply. Now my another portlet, another this is ready. I can just define this should be open in the same tab. So like I will create couple of more analysis here. The stock um, bar stack bar analysis, publish to web. I'll just quickly copy this URL, close, and add another tile, text box. You can also create some logos, some pictures of your dashboards, and then you can get into it. So custom link, this one. So this, yes, apply. So one buttons or one tiles we are getting here. Now it's time to communicate to the dashboard here. I'll just click here to the first dashboard called sales analysis, and I can go and see the same dashboard here. what it shows there. Going to the next dashboard here. On click, it should take me to the hierarchical data analysis. But it's still taking to this geographical analysis. You have to check why in both the cases the same link is showing here.